Hey guys, good morning. Today I have an 06 Corvette. So the issue with this Corvette is that I have my turn headlight on, and then I want to make a turn signal. Alright, so just pay attention here. Let's zoom in. Okay, I got my headlight and I'm going to make a left turn. Okay, everything seems pretty okay, but when I do the right signal, see that the high beam also turns on. So that's the main complaint of the customer. The problem with this is really it's just the stop right here. So we're gonna replace this one. I'll show you guys how to do it. So yeah, let's get to work. Hey, make sure you move the seat before you actually do anything, because yeah, there's not much room here. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is disconnect the negative, because we're gonna be dealing with the steering and I don't want the airbag to deploy. Connect the negative. Alright, so got the thing disconnected. So just lower the steering wheel down, get your flathead screw. Make sure that you don't break anything, like a knob or whatever. So just do it slowly and gently. Now that we got that out, the next thing we're going to do is, alright, so there's a plug here that we need to take out. You know, I'm gonna take this bottom portion out right here. Let me see, maybe this one is what, T15? Yeah, T15. Once we got that out, I should be able to get out the panel. Okay, once we got that out, we're gonna take out these. Well, I'll probably just push it down. Take it from the other side. I want to take this bottom portion out so I can have an access to that part. I can rotate this steering wheel. So there's 1 and 2 bolts that we need to take out. There's one right here. The other one is right here, right on the bottom. All right. I think I have a T20, what, T20 here? Let's see if that works. There's 1. There's 2. Alright, once we got those 2 out, there you go. It's pretty simple, real straightforward. From there, we're just gonna have to take out these 2 wires, and that's about it. Okay. Just get a cutter and take this. Just get a cutter and cut this wire, not wire, but the wire tie. All right. So this is the stock that we're gonna change. All right. Fairly easy, just 1 and 2 bolts and 3 harnesses, 3 plug-ins that we need to take out. To take this plug out, take it out from the inside first, and it should come out right off. Now I got the new one, and check that out. So I got my headlight on. Okay, now I'm gonna do a left turn signal. Now it's working properly. All right, let's do right. Okay, this one is right signal, and there you go. There's no more high beam. All right. Let's do a high beam. Okay, now it works. Let's do another left turn. Okay, so it's just left, right turn. So it's just right turn, which means this is good. Now that we got that back, we got that installed, what we're gonna do next is put everything back together. Alright, so where's the old one? Oh, it's right here. Check engine. Check engine. Naka-check engine. Hindi na kami. Reset ko na lang. There you go. And next thing we're going to do is install the back plate, the bottom plate, which is this. Let's not forget the sensor for this. Go. This is color coded, so you won't miss. Okay. And then let's put the 2 bolts on the panel. Which is this. Let's not forget the sensor for this. Go. This is color coded, so you won't miss. Okay. And then let's put the 2 bolts on the panel. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope this video helped solve your problems about your Corvettes. If you have any comments, concerns, or you just want to say hi to us, let us know down in the comment section. Just write it down. I'll try to do my best to reply to you guys, even to my followers, even though I got none. If you guys like this type of content, I'm gonna post some more. I appreciate you guys for watching till the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, and bye bye. I gotta get this thing inspected. All right, see you on the next video.